In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Devices Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, you need to click on this icon next to Connected. Click on Disconnect, or to forget this device completely, forget this device option. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!